So guys, for the first method, you want to unplug and then reconnect your device. For the second method, you want to unplug it and then reconnect it into a different USB port. For the third method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand universal serial bus controllers. You now want to find your USB. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Click on enter. And now this will come up. You're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, if you see your device listed right here, then you're going to click on your device. If you don't see it, then you're going to click on I don't see my device listed. Wait for this to load. And now you're going to click on enable. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete troubleshooting, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.